And boom! Here we go again. Hi, everybody. It's so exciting to be here. Oh, my gosh. My name's Einstein, and I am so cool. And I love everything about you guys. Thanks for coming. It's so special that you're here, and I just like you guys. And I'm gonna see you later. Okay, so he's gone. All right. So I'll show you a little project that I like to do. You may have made one of these. We're doing catapults in physics, and I'm going to show you my rocket launcher tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll go outside and I've got this pretty serious rocket launcher. But we're going to have a couple days on this topic. Hopefully you can go off and make something today, and you can show me what you can make. Some people send in videos, some people send in photos of what they make of the little science projects. So that's good. We're going to have, I mean, it's just stuff. Okay, so this is stuff you have around the house. I've got little popsicle sticks, anything. You can use sticks, you can go outside, you can find anything. So it's all just salt. Tape is good to have. I got a hot glue gun, scissors. This is the kind of stuff that we're working with today. Okay, I'll show you what we're going to do. We're looking at forces. This is a physics thing, so I got one little outline. So what we're looking at is physics of a catapult. All right, so this is classic, and this goes way back in history, and all we're looking at is a force is either a push or a pull. Okay, wherever you go, whatever you do in in science and anybody asks what's a force, it's either a push or a pull, right? And today we're going to be looking at stored energy. So we having energy and then we store it somewhere else. It's like I just found, because we've got mice. We have mice at our house. They're coming inside, and our cat eats them sometimes, but other times he doesn't. So this is, I gotta show you this. So this is the mouse trap. Right? This is when we store, so this got a spring, and so we store the energy in there when we flip it over. Okay, and then this hooks onto there. Oops, you don't want to get your fingers caught in this. And then what happens? The little mouse comes along, minding his own business, sees a little peanut butter or whatever's on there. Okay, smashes it. Okay, and then it's actually not good news. Not good news for the mouse when that happens. And I've got this other mouse trap. So we've been trying different mouse traps because the little mice are quite, they're not very heavy. So this is another one we've been trying. So this is, again, stored energy. There's a spring on there again. When I push this back, it stores the energy inside there, and then the mouse comes along and goes like that and catches the mice. All right, and the other way to look at it, I like, because I'm just showing you these little toys I have. You ever have seen one of these? It is a gun. Some people don't like guns, but this has energy. This is how you use energy. When you pull that, it pushes air through here. So a potato gun. Put it in the potato. You guys, wow. Okay, that's kind of fun. I can do this, and you can do this outside. I'll shoot it over that way, so you can see. It's pretty harmless. It's not going to hurt you. Okay, well, so we're going to get into the catapult. I'll build one of these for you, and then maybe you could do one yourself. All right. So going back in history, these are some of these things are called. You might have heard of a trebuchet or a mangonel. So they kind of go back to Renaissance. In these big wars, they put big rocks or flaming bowls of kind of oil or something like that, and they would shoot them at each other. Okay, so this is kind of warfare stuff. Let me see if I can find another one. So we're gonna make a smaller one of these. So here's another. Just again, this is modeling. Okay, we talked about modeling. Now, where you can use, you can build one. I've built one of these out of wood before. I've built all kinds of different kinds of them. And easiest way is you can either do the one I'm going to show you how to do, or you can go online and look at different kind of pictures and build one yourself. So I'll show you the one we're going to build, and it doesn't take very long, like something like that. All right, this is fairly simple. It's rubber bands, it's a spoon, it's a pom-pom, it's a marker, it's kind of whatever you have laying around, and it's something that you can, that's going to store the energy and then shoot something else. So I'll show you. I've got a lot of stuff. I've got tape, string. You can use string, another piece of tape, hot glue. Basically, I'm just going to run through this. I use rubber bands. I'll do one quickly. So this is going to be the kind of the fulcrum when I did. Okay, so you can put. So this is 6. All right, I'm just going to wrap this around. So you can take, if you don't have rubber bands, you can tape it. So this just, I'm going to do this very quickly so you can see what's going on. So there's that. I'm going to use a couple of these babies for the other part. All right, so that goes on like this. Or you can put another one inside. So this one goes like that. All right. If you want to have a look at it. So this adds a little bit of push. And this kind of wrap that around like this. Right, so it's already kind of happening. This one crosses over. Basically, you can look at models, or you can look at kind of this adds the little boom. Okay, so that's going to be, this is like when you pull this back, that's your stored energy, and that's going to flick it up. Okay. And I just attach this on you. And you can decorate them. You can put all different kinds of. I'm using rubber bands. You can use tape, or then you can stick a spoon on there. A spoon is going to hold the whatever you're going to shoot. I'll put another rubber band on there. So I'm just kind of making this up as we go along. There's so many different designs you can do, and then you can look at the physics of angles, and when we do the rocket launcher tomorrow. So that's like that. I'd put maybe another one in there, flick that around, and they're just kind of fun. And you can, sometimes, and if you get if kind of a big one, it's an outside thing. All right, so this. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. So now this is kind of ready to go. I mean, it's smaller, and the smaller you make it, the less energy it has. So this, so I can put a rubber band on here. Okay, a ping pong ball. So this is gonna go. Okay, that hit the roof. Okay, so it doesn't take very long, and if you want to shoot other things like, I can hot glue this on. You can hot glue things on there. Okay, so basically that's, you can see how that works. I put a little cup on there that's going to hold the ping pong ball. Let's see which way it's going to fly. And so basically, then after a while, you get good at it. You can do things all over the place. And what I do, I look at it as a physics experiment. All right, so this is something you can do once you've got it going. You kind of look at the angle of your attack. So when you're shooting angle down here in the bottom is going to affect how far it goes. So you're going to either do a pebble, or you can do a little small rock if you're outside or something like that. But we'll show you this tomorrow when I do the rocket launcher also. So it's looking at the angle. So when you tilt it up like this, is it going to go further that way? Wait, which way is it going to go? That way. When you fire it, so if you fire it straight up, obviously it's not going to go that far. And if you fire it straight horizontally, it's not going to go very far. So you got to find the right angle for your projectile. And another good thing is just you can use pom-poms. Pom-poms are fun. And what we do, you can also do, so if you make one with somebody else, you can figure out the best design and what's gonna go the furthest and what angle shoots the furthest. But other than that, that was just a simple little catapult that you can make. Or you could get very complicated. You could use all different kinds of things. You could use screws and bits of wood and bolts, and like I've made really big ones. And tomorrow we're going to look at, I'll bring the rocket launcher and we'll show you how to make some more rockets. But other than that, that's going to be it. That's our just a little bit of physics today, and the physics of a potato gun. I'm going to shoot. Oh, that wasn't very good. So if you can go out and make one of these, make one of the catapults, and you can send me a picture of it or give me a little video. But all right, that's me for today. Thanks for coming along, you guys, and keep in touch. Stay safe. I'm gonna just click this off now. Okay, thanks for coming. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.